Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI Claw gaming handheld, and friends, this Claw features a familiar handheld console layout with two thumbsticks with their orbits that have RGB lighting, D-pad, 4 action buttons and some triggers. It's hard to tell from this angle, but the touchscreen in the middle could to be a 16:10 aspect ratio, and friend, we know that this is a game console, not a cloud gaming device like the Logitech G Cloud. Looking at 350 RMB Steam voucher offer to this marquee poster, and this device is functionally identical to the ASUS ROG Ally. It is a Windows-based handheld that is backed by a storefront such as Steam and EGS. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.